Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Learn with Merpa. Today we learn ascending order and descending order. Let's start. Ascending order is going up from smallest number to biggest number, and descending order is going down from biggest number to smallest number. As arranged number ascending order. There are 5 numbers. 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. First we will write the smallest number. 1. 2 is greater than 1. Greater than 2 is 3. Greater than 3 is 4. Greater than 4 is 5. In descending order, we arrange number big to small. 5 is biggest number. 4 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 4. 2 is smaller than 3. 1 is smaller than 2. I hope you understand what is ascending order and descending order. Like, share and make my video for phone. Bye bye.